Hey, Rob here for Quadratec.com. Today we're checking out the JCR Offroad Stinger and Prerunner hoops for the 2018 Jeep Wrangler JL Rubicon steel bumpers. Now, these hoops are a great way to not only add some style, but some protection for the front of your Wrangler, and they install easily using 6 factory bolts on the front of the bumper here, 3 per side right around the tow hooks here. Now we have the Stinger mounted up right now. You can see it comes to a nice point, extends out past the front of the bumper here for some great protection. The Prerunner bar doesn't have quite as much of an angle to it, has a nice flat spot across the top for a great Prerunner look. Now both of the bars feature a light textured black powder coat that complements the factory finish on the bumper. No matter which one you choose, it's sure to look great on the front of your Wrangler. Now, if you guys want to get more information or purchase one of the JCR, Stinger, or Prerunner hoops for your Jeep, you can click on that info button to head over to Quadratec.com. Of course, if you have any comments or questions about the hoops, you can leave those for us below or contact us directly at any of the options on the screen in front of you. You want to make sure you hit that subscribe button so you're sure to catch all of our latest 2018 Jeep Wrangler JL product reviews. Till next time, I'm Rob. I'll see you guys out on the trail.